Want to make money online in 2025 without inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches? In this video, I will show you how to earn $150 per day by selling AI personalized travel itineraries. Perfect for freelancers, students, or anyone looking for a creative side hustle. Step 1. Choose a travel niche. Focus on trending destinations like national parks, solo travel, luxury escapes, or budget-friendly city trips. Americans are spending more on personalized travel than ever before. Step 2. Use AI tools to build itineraries. ChatGPT can generate day-by-day plans, restaurant suggestions, and local tips. Combine it with Google Maps, TripAdvisor, and Rome to Rio to add real-time logistics. Step 3. Design and package your itinerary. Use Canva or Notion to create beautiful, editable templates. Offer PDFs or shareable links on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Step 4. Market your service. Create TikToks, Pinterest pins, or blog posts targeting keywords like New York 3-day itinerary or budget travel USA. Use SEO tools like Ubersuggest to find hot search terms. This is a low-cost, high-demand business that's perfect for 2025. With AI, you can scale fast and serve travelers across the US. Subscribe and press the bell icon for next video.